Good morning students and welcome to our YouTube channel Gnan Manjari Modern School. In previous videos we are just going through the lesson number 4, that is cubes and cube roots. So we have reached there in the example number 8. Let us see the cube root. In that we will see, first of all, what is cube root. We will see that, okay students, cube root. So first of all, what is cube root? We have listened about in previous lesson that square root. So in square root, what was that? If 25 is there, then its square root is 5. If 9 is there, then its square root is 3. In that way, there is a cube root. Okay students, in, as I say, the 27, the cube root of 27, we all know 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, the cube root is 3. Okay students, this way we can take out the cube root, or else we can, if you want cube root, then what we have to do? 27, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So these are the three factors of 27. So this repeat in a group 3 times. So it is a cube root of 3. 27 is a cube root of 3. Okay students, let us see an example of it. Here we see the example number 8. Example number 8. Example number 8. Find cube roots. Find the cube root of the given cubes. So in that, the first one is 8. 8 cube. A, that is 8 cube. Okay students, so how we will find the cube root? We all know 8 cube is, but we don't have to find 8 cube. So for the cube denotation denotates, cube root is denoted as this. In square root we just do a bracket, and in cube root we just add here over the 3, so we can know that it is cube root. Okay students, so if I write 8 over 3 power, then we all know here 3 cutted, then the answer is 8. 8 cube, so its cube root is 8. Okay students, let us see the next one, that is 2 by 3 whole cube. B, 2 by 3 whole cube. So in that, what will do? First of all, do by yourself students. What we have to do? We have to make cube root 2 by 3 whole cube. This 3 is to be cutted, so answer is 2 by 3. Okay students, next one, C. C. What is the C? Minus 5 by 7 cube. So what will here happen? 3 minus 5 by 7 whole cube. Here it will be cutted, so minus 5 by 7. Okay students, next one, that is D. What is the value of D? That is A cube. A cube. Okay students, A cube. What is A cube? So A cube, 3 cube root. So 3 will be cutted. The answer will be 3. And the last one, that is E, 3.8. 3.8 cube. So how can we find the cube root of it? That is 3.8 cube. So cube root cube will be cutted. Okay students, the answer is 3.8. So this is the example number 8. Please note down this students. Now we will find the cube root by the prime factorization method. Okay students, let us do that. Cube root by prime factorization. So how we can find the cube root from prime factorization? Here there in your book there is an example, that is 64. So how can we find the cube root of 64 by the method prime factorization method? So what we will do is 64, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So we get the factors, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So we get 6 times 2. Okay students, so here we can make the groups of 3 3 because it is a cube. Okay students, so what will happen now? This is cube of 2, this is cube of 2, that is 2 2s are 4. So we get the answer is 4. First let me do it, you can make mistake over here. So by first of all finding the factors of 64, we get 6 times 2. So here the cube of 2 is 2 into 2 into 2 and another cube of 2 is 2 into 2 into 2. So this is 2 into 2, that is 4. So from this we can know that the cube root of 64, that is 4. We all know 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So this is the answer. Okay students, let us see an example of it. See here, there is an example 9. In that we have to find the cube root of the following. In that A is 1728. So we have to find the cube root by the prime factorization method. Let us do that. First of all, what we have to do? We have to take the factors. See here, 1728. It will divide with 2. 2 8s are 16, 1 remaining, 2 6s are 12. Okay students, 2 4s are again with 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, again with 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, again with 2, 2 1s are 2. Okay students, here 0, then 8. 2 8s are 16. Next, that is 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, again with 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. Okay students, now 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So we get the factors. I am writing over there here the factors. How many times 2? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times 2. 2 2. So 6 times 2 and 3 times 3. Okay students, so I am underlining this 3, 3, 3. Here there are groups of 3 of 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay students, so this is your answer. This is the cube of 12. Please note down this. And the another one, B. B is 7 2 9. 7 2 9. So first what we have to do? We have to take the factors of it. That is 729. So here is 9. So we can't divide with 2, 3. We will try with 3. 3 2s are 6. 1 remaining. 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, again with 3, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, again with 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 remaining 21, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Okay students, how many times 3? 1 2 3 4 5 6 times 3. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here what we will do is we will make the group of 3. So 3 3 here, that is 3 into 3, that is 3 3s are 9. So this is the cube of 9, that is 729. Okay students, this is the cube of 9. In the first we have seen that if in the unit place there is 9, then its cube's unit place also there is 9. You can see here. Okay students, now next please note down this. Now see, that is minus 74088, minus 74088. We all know that if there is a minus sign over here, then its cube root also have minus sign. Okay students, why? I am taking an example. If I take minus 2 cube, then minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. First of all, minus 2 into minus 2, that is 4. But minus minus plus, that is plus 4. 4 2s are 8, but which plus 4 into minus 2, that is what happens? 4 2s are 8, but which minus 8. Okay students, so the minus 2 cube is minus 8. So here there is a minus, then what will happen? Its cube root also will be minus. Okay students, let us see that first of all we will take the factors. So we will take factors 74088. It will start with 2 because it is at the unit place it is even number. 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, here 0. 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. Next I also here is an even number, so 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Next 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2. Okay students, here we get 1. So which it will divide? 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay students, 3 3s are 9. Then what will happen? Here is 2, then 0. 3 8s are 24. 2 remaining, 21. Then what will come? 21. 3 7s are 21. Again it will go with 3. 3 1s are 3. Here 0. 3 2s are 6. 2 remaining, 27. 3 9s are 27. Again with 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. Again with 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are no. Again it will not happen with 3. It will happen students. No, it will not happen with 3. Why? Because it not divide. Now we will try with 4. 4 also not. 5 no. 6 no. 7. Yes, we will try with 7. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 27. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. So 7 4s are 28. And then remaining 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. That is 63. So 7 9s are 63. 7 7s are 49 and 7 1s are 7. So we get the factors I am writing here. How many times 2? 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 2. How many times 3? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How many times 7? 1, 2, 3. 3 times 7. But here the sign will be minus. Okay students, why? Because here there is a sign is minus. So now 3, 3, 3. So 2 into 3 into 7. What will be there? 3 2s are 6. 6 7s are 6 6 are 36. 6 7s are 42. So this is the cube of minus 42. We forgot the sign over here also, minus. So this is cube of minus 42. Okay students, please note down this. Okay, D. D is minus 64 by 125. So what we will do is, first of all we will take the factors of 64. 64, that is 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Another time 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. Another time 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. How many times 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 2. So we can write this as 6 times 2 means we take the groups of 3, 3. So 2 2s are 4. It is a cube of 4. But which? Minus 4 cube upon 125, that is 5 cube. So this cube and cube root will be cut out, that is minus 4 by 5 is the answer. See here, I haven't taken the factors of 125. Let us take it. 125. Here it start with 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So here it comes 3 times 5, that is 5 cube, that is 125. Please note down this students. And the another one, E. E. So the E is 2.744. 2.744. We have to find the cube root of 2.744. How we will find? First of all, we can write this as 2744 by 1000. We can write this, students? Yes, we can write. Now we will take the factors 2744. So the factors is 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 remaining, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Again with 2, 2 6s are 12. 1 remaining, 2 8s are 16. 2 6s are 12. Again with 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Now I think it will not happen with what? 2. Now 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 13. It will not happen. 4 no, 5 no, 6 no, 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. It's bigger. So 7 4s are 28, 28, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, sorry, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 6, 6 remaining, 63, 7 9s are 63, 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7. So here we get the factors of 2744, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7 upon. Now we will take the factors of 1000. What will be? 2 5s are 10, 0 0. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Again with 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Now with 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Okay students, so here the factors is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. So these are the factors in this. Here it is the group of 3, and in denominator this is the group of 3. Okay students, so we can write this as 2 into 7 upon 2 into 5, that is 7 2s are 14 by 5 2s are 10. So now we will put a point, that is 1.4, because if we divide 10 with 14 then 1.4 will be the answer. So the 1.4's cube is 2.744. Okay, or else the cube root of 2.744 is 1.4. Please note down this students. F. Now we are going to the F. F is 216 into 125. Okay students, so what we will do, first of all we will take the factors of 216. What is the factor of 216? 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are, sorry, here 0, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. Now with 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3, sorry, 3 3s are 9, and at last 3 1s are 3. These are the factors of 2, 1, 6. Now we will find the factors of 1, 2, 5. That is 2, 6 are 12, 2 2s are, no, it will not come with 2. We will go to 3, no, 3 is also not applicable. Now with 4, no, 5, yes, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Okay, this is the answer, sorry, factors here, 2 3 times and 3 times. Okay students, so what we will do is 2 into 3. Okay students, so and into 5 cube. So what will be the answer? That is, we will take out the cube root. Cube will cut it out. 3 2s are 6 into 5, that is 30. So if we multiply 216 into 125, we get the cube of 30. Okay students, please note down this. Okay students, now it's time for your homework. Please note down your homework students. So students, your today's homework is example 18 and 19 in the example book, and from the exercise 4C, exercise 4C. From that you have to write down the question number 1, 2 in your fair book. Okay students, this two exercise 4C question 1 and 2 is like example 18 and 19 only. So students, you can do it by your own. If you don't get anyone's answer, you can message me or inform me. Okay students, up till then, stay safe, stay home. Okay, bye students.